What is going on, YouTube? I'm back with another video. It's been such a long time, but this thing is a treat. So a customer of mine called me and they had this car in the garage, and at first I went to go look at it, but well, first of all, let me know what you think this is, but well, actually I'll just put it in the title. But this thing is a 66 Chevy Nova, and I didn't know it was an SS, and I actually went to the customer's house and he was just sitting in there. And if you can see, I also got this 73 Vega. This thing is basically just the frame, but if you look inside, if you look inside, this thing has been completely tubbed, and I mean, it was set up to go into the drag. So back to this car. We've actually put it up on wheels, and here are those fenders. We just had those fenders on there, but I took them out. So verifying, I've been doing a bunch of research on this thing, and this is actually a 118 car, so it's a true SS body. I mean, look at this thing. This thing is in, I mean, there is some rust right there, but if you look at the frame, it's basically in like mint shape for the year. So my plan was to, I mean, I didn't even have a plan in the beginning. I got a call and I went there and I skipped out on it the first time around. Then one of my buddies was telling me, hey, this is a pretty cool car. So I went back. We found out that it's indeed a 66 Nova. I didn't do too much research on it at the time, but we brought it back. Now I checked all the VIN numbers, and everything is showing that this is a original V8 SS. So I'm going to do a quick walk around and show you. We put a couple of wheels on there. Let me go to the back, and here's the interior. You can see it was an original 4-speed car. There's the hole right there, and it's the Marina Blue. All the work that's been done on it so far, as you saw from the first video, the whole rear end was not even connected. So we put these wheels on it, and you put the trunk back on. You can see, I mean, the rust is like, it's pretty minimal here. Put that door on there. The roof is currently chopped off. It's right there, sitting in there, as you can see. But, and here's the condition of this thing. It's pretty, I mean, look at the floors. There's like no holes in the floors. I mean, there's like one small little hole right there. I mean, look at the front. Pretty good shape. I was looking at some other videos online, and people are buying these cars and the whole front half of it is just completely missing. But this one, I mean, look here. Look at the frame. Pretty good condition for what I'm seeing. So I'm actually thinking about fully restoring this thing. I still have a lot of questions about it, but this is an original 117 with a 1.8. So there's a 117 on the actual VIN, but when you look under the hood, there's a 118. So it's a Chevy Nova 66 with the original V8 that came in it. Here's what it looks like currently. So follow along as I bring this car back. We have a 350 engine here, so I'm thinking about using this Power Glide 2-speed and 350 to just get this thing moving and see what we can do with it. If I'm going to do like a full rebuild or just you know, get it into running shape.